All right, let's talk about how can we implement abstraction using Java programming language. As I already told you that we will be using Java as a programming language for implementing all the concepts throughout our course, whether it is about architecture or about design. So now we are formally coding our first concept, that is abstraction in Java. So I have opened my VS Code and I've already installed the Java compiler over here and I can run Java programs. So first of all, I have to add a new file which I've already added. Now I would save it and we'll name it like abstraction.java. Abstraction.java. Okay. So now since this is Java file, so I've named it with .java extension. Now I have to add the main function. So for that I have to add a class. You might already know that in Java we have a classes, and the public class should be named as of that of your file. For example, our file name is abstraction, so our public class will be also named as abstraction. So I'm going to add a class, public class and abstraction, and inside this class I would like to add the main method, the main function, because this program will be executed from the main. The starting point will be the main function. So I've already added the shortcode for this, Jesse, and now you can see the main method is added. Now just above this class, this is the main function or the main class in which our main method resides, and we will add more code later on. Now we want to know how the abstraction can be implemented. So first of all, I have to add abstract class. Abstract class is a class for which you cannot create an object, which cannot be instantiated. That's something which you already might know. So I have to add abstract class. Abstract class, how can abstract class be added? We need to add keyword abstract, and then class, and then the name of the class. For example, we have animal, so I would like animal. Now this is our abstract class. This class cannot be instantiated inside the main. Now I can add some abstract methods. For example, abstract, and then method, return type of the method is void. Yes, method is returning nothing. And then the name of the method, for example, sound, and here that's it. That's how you can add abstract method. Now what this method does, whatever class extend this class, that class can provide definition for this method, and that definition would be totally up to that class, that how that class defines this method. So later on we will extend this class with two other classes, and there you would see how we can override this method called sound. We can add concrete method as well. For example, if I add here void and sleep, and I would provide definition over here, and here we can say the animal is sleeping. And we have to make it public, right? Why it's not showing, maybe why it's underlined. Okay, so we'll check this later on. Now I want to add another class, class cat. I would write it with capital C, cat, extends animal, and now I would write void sound, and here we go, sound, and then I would provide definition for this. The cat is sounding like meow meow. That's it. If you want, you can add another class as well. I can copy this class and can make some adjustment. Now I would make it dog, and I would make this the dog is sounding like whoop 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 whoop, right? Now inside the main method, I have to instantiate either of these classes. I can create an instance of animal class, but I can't have a direct instantiation. I have to instantiate this animal class either through cat or through dog. So now let's see, for example, I want to have an instance of cat. So I would write over here animal cat equals to new, and here I would say cat, and then cat dot sound, and here we go, cat dot and sleep. Right, I think this sound, yes, why it's cat dot sound, something is not right with our sound method. That's right. Now let's run it. Here I would like to run it, run code, and if it is having some errors, it doesn't have any errors, so you can see the result. The cat is sounding like mew mew, and the animal is sleeping, right? So that's how we can implement abstraction in Java. I hope now you might have a clear understanding of how abstraction can be implemented using Java.
Thank you so much for watching this. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. I regularly share valuable lessons, practical tips, and step-by-step tutorials to help you improve and grow. And if you are serious about mastering software design and architecture and want a complete structured learning experience, so I have created a full course that includes detailed lessons, assignments, quizzes, and downloadable workbooks to help you practice and apply what you learn. So if that sounds helpful, just check the link in the description below and enroll in the course today. I would love to see you inside and support you on your learning journey.